What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can cancel your Plutus subscription. Also, as always, if you guys want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. And now let's get started. So first off, you would need to log in into the Plutus desktop version, aka the Plutus browser version, but you would need to use it on the desktop. So after you log in into your Plutus account on your browser, you will be on your homepage right here. Now from your homepage, you would need to click on your profile right here in the upper right corner and go to settings. Now from the settings, go to the plan option right here. And in the plan option, you will see your billing method and your current plan. So as you can see, I currently have a starter plan, and if I want to cancel my subscription, all I need to do is just click downgrade right here to the standard plan. Then they will ask, are you sure? So you can just confirm this right here. And there we go. I've now downgraded my plan, and by doing that, I cancelled my Plutus subscription. And if you take a look at right here, you will see your standard plan will automatically take effect at the start of the next billing cycle on January 20th, 2025, aka the date on which the payment for the starter plan would be taken out. So you will have still some time on your current plan until the downgrade. So that's guys how you can cancel your Plutus subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.